y'all. So today I'll be showing you how I did these medium-sized stiletto nails on my dominant hand. These are my natural nails already prepped. I'm going to go ahead and add these tips. I think I got these tips from Amazon. If I didn't get them from Amazon, I'll link below where I got them from along with this glue. Now that the nails are all on, or the tips are all on, I'm going to go ahead and blend the tip with my natural nail. I was going to use my sanding bit, but then I decided to just go ahead and use my hand file, which is something that I tend to do a lot, and this is just the Beauty Secrets file. Now that they're all blended together, this is what they should look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut them into the stiletto shape. I think my most asked question is, how do I do my right hand using my left hand, since I'm right-handed? And it is hard, but I guess I'm just used to it now. But this is how I do it. After I reach the desired shape that I want, I go ahead and start to prep my nails. I like to use the Mia's Secret Nail Prep Dehydrator and the Extra Bind Primer. These products are really good, y'all. Like, for real, you can get these from Amazon too. I know I say Amazon a lot, but y'all, Amazon is the one-stop shop for everything. And apply 2 coats of primer. I'm using a number 8 brush from Alpha Brush, and I'm going to start with this Bare Me by Valentino. I'll link it in the description, and this is just a pink glitter mix that I made a few years ago. Y'all, if y'all watched my last video, y'all know that I use as many beads as I want to do my own nails, especially when I'm doing my right hand with my left hand. Sometimes it can get really messy and hard for me to control. But I use 3 balls, 10 balls, 2 balls. It does not matter as long as I get that desired look that I'm going for. Glitter acrylic ended up being a struggle. It was something with the mix that I made. It's so old and I don't know what happened with it, so I didn't get a lot of footage using it like I would have liked to. So hard for me to get a good angle when doing my nails because I forget that the camera is recording, and then I have to check it to make sure that you guys will be able to see it, and it's just hard for me to record these nail videos, but I do enjoy them because I do enjoy watching them, and I think I'm gonna keep doing them. The acrylic, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the glitter nails, and this is just the clear acrylic from Mia Secrets. I also got this from Amazon, and of course I'm going to link it in the description along with the other products. I'm using a medium safety bit to clean up the cuticle areas. I'm also going to take it across the surface of the nails to remove any lumps and get the nail as even as possible. Reshaping the nails to gain back any shape that we may have lost during the acrylic application. I also like to take my hand file and go underneath the nail just to remove any lumps or acrylic that may have dripped underneath. Now that I have a shape that I'm happy with, I'm going to go ahead and start the process of buffing. And with the buffer, it just takes out any scratches or lines you may have caused during the filing process. This is key, y'all, especially if you use a nail polish. You want to definitely buff the surface of your nail so that you won't see that through your nail polish. Me, I'm just using a clear top coat, but I still like to do the buffing application so that it just looks seamless and smooth. Now that the nails are buffed and looking smooth and pretty, I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel top coat. This is a D&D top coat. It's supposed to be a non-wipe top coat. I do still wipe it with an alcohol pad because sometimes it can seem like it's a little bit sticky. And that's definitely just a preference. You don't have to wipe it, just make sure that you cure it. done with the top coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure these nails in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what they look like after they've been top coated and cured. I'm going to go ahead and apply this Avioplex by OPI. This is a cuticle oil. I really, really love it. Y'all, smells so good. I think I got it from Marshall, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, y'all, these are the finished nails. They are little tiny stiletto nails, which are definitely out of my comfort zone. I love the extra long nail, but these are super cute. I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.